I'm pleased to announce that Life is a Special Operation has just published an online cybersecurity course for seniors. As a security expert who has spent the better part of his life fighting bad guys and protecting the innocent, I get really frustrated seeing family members and friends getting ripped off by scumbag cyber criminals just because they're trusting and don't know any better. You see, cyber criminals don't target IT professionals and computer experts. They target people who are nice and trusting, who aren't quite so confident with technology. Hackers target those who aren't as busy and who are more likely to read and believe an email and click on a fraudulent hyperlink. To sum it all up, hackers and cyber criminals target the elderly. Having spent my military career as an Army Special Forces officer, I think it's safe to consider myself a security professional. When I retired, I went back to school to get a DBA or a doctorate in business administration with an emphasis on cybersecurity and privacy. Put my unique career and education together, and now you have a bona fide security expert and instructor. Cybersecurity for Seniors is a great course for anyone wanting to be safer online. We discuss the most common cybersecurity threats and the countermeasures you should use to mitigate these threats. We teach safe browsing practices, how to recognize fraudulent emails. We give advice for password management and recommend multi-factor authentication. As technology advances, so do cyber threats. It's paramount to equip our seniors with the knowledge and skills they need to navigate the online world securely. Investing in your seniors' cyber literacy isn't about avoiding scams. It's about fostering their online independence. If your loved one is a cybersecurity amateur, then this is the course for them. I've priced Cybersecurity for Seniors at $47 so it doesn't break the bank. Protect your loved ones from identity theft. Empower them to detect and dodge phishing scams, and help them to learn the skills to secure their devices and accounts. Give the gift of security this year and enroll your loved ones in the course. You even have my permission to sign up for the course yourself and share your enrollment with your senior so you can both go through it together. I'll leave a hyperlink in the comments, or you can find the course directly from my website. Life is a Special Operation. Are you ready for it?